Slider windows. Lafayette is a popular choice for homeowners seeking modern and functional window solutions. Our Lafayette window installation experts specialize in providing top-notch slider windows. Lafayette, ensuring a seamless fit and finish for your home. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our team guarantees that your new slider windows Lafayette will enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. Lafayette window replacement services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our comprehensive window replacement solutions include energy-efficient windows and custom window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking for vinyl windows Lafayette or double-hung windows, our Lafayette window services have you covered. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any homeowner in Lafayette, LA, looking to reduce energy bills and improve home comfort. Our Lafayette energy-efficient windows are designed to provide superior insulation and weatherproofing, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Trust our window installation experts to deliver the best energy-efficient solutions for your home. Custom Windows Lafayette offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance and functionality. Our custom window solutions include a wide range of window styles, window designs, and window measurements to suit any architectural style. Whether you need window consultation or window upgrades, our team is here to help you achieve your vision. Double-hung windows are a classic choice for homeowners in Lafayette, LA, offering versatility and ease of use. Our Lafayette double-hung windows are available in various styles and finishes, ensuring a perfect match for your home's aesthetic. Trust our window installation experts to provide the best double-hung windows for your needs. Vinyl windows slider. Lafayette are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl windows are designed to withstand the harsh Lafayette climate while providing excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Choose our Lafayette window installation services for high-quality vinyl windows that enhance your home's value and comfort. Window maintenance is essential for preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our Lafayette window maintenance services include window cleaning, window sealing, and window caulking to keep your windows looking and performing their best. Regular maintenance ensures your windows remain energy efficient and weatherproof.